My name is Imokwe Henry Jones. I'm from Anambra State, Agata local government, Umuchu. I was in the, I was going to the bank to collect money. As I'm telling you now, the police, all of them are here. The man already shoot my tire. He blew all my 2 tires. And they're saying that I neglect command that the government have given. But as you can see within this area now, you can see all people that are watching and seeing what is happening inside the scene. You can see. Is there any movement? What shows that there is no movement in this particular place? This is market. The market is full. I hide inside this car now, and then because of my life, because I am afraid what is going to happen to me. Already the policeman, you can see him still videoing me, already shoot 2 times, 2 bullets, and shoot my tire down. He shoot my tire, and he threatened to kill me. That I ignore government order not to move around. I say, officer, I don't have enough money to eat, but I'm going to the bank. Zenith Bank is just a stone throw there in Umunze to get money so that I can go stay with my family. These people, see, when I telling them, they told me that I must settle them before I pass. I said, you people don't have conscience on this particular problem we are having now, that you are looking for money, while the fellow police people are contributing to the state government, trying to make peace, trying to help humanity. But they are proud enough telling me that I must roger them. I said they are wicked, that you cannot ask me for bribe to roger you before I will cross and go get money, little money I have in my account. These things these people are doing, they now shoot my tires down. As you can see, people who are gathered here. Does it show that no movement in this place? Simply because they want money from me. Can you see people everywhere? This man shoot my tire. You are on live. You are already on live. Go to YouTube. You are live. You will see. You shoot my tire and destroy my car and threatening to kill me even. Look at him. He's the one that shoot it. It's him. He shoot my tire, threatening to kill me just because I want to go and take money in the bank here. You said there is no movement. No movement. What are these people are doing here? Why the market is still on? Why people in the market? Because you want money from me, I not give you. God will judge you people. And you see this, my tire you shoot, you are going to pay for it. It's just a beginning. I'm alone. That's why I don't want to come out. People must see what you have done. You're already on life. And people will see you. This is how wicked you people are. On this corona, you still want people to be giving you bribe before they go and take their money. You call DCO, you call BCO, but tell them what exactly happened. No problem. We see. You are a government man. You are police. You are. Who are you asking? You asked me that before you shoot my car. Did you shoot my car? Did you shoot my car at all? Or law? Which law? Which law is that? Okay, you don't even know what government tell you. Did the government tell you that people should not go and take money in the bank? Did government tell you that people did not go and take money in the bank? You don't even know what you are doing. You don't know what you are doing. The government stop these people not to go and take money. You just stay here and collecting money. You can see people here can notify what this man do. And he shoot my tires. I beg them that I want to go and collect money. You see that man, and you are proud to go and take me and want to arrest me because I want to take money. The world will hear what you do here today. Everybody will hear it. Nigeria inside will hear it. Let me know if you know your work at all. Did you know your work? For someone to Calm down what? After you have shoot me.
Calm down, calm down.
You see they coming. 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 You see what they're doing? Because I'm complaining on what they're doing to me. Because I'm complaining. You are alive. You are alive. People must see this. Please help me broadcast this and let people see this everywhere. What kind of Nigerian people is this?